Hey there, welcome to today's quick kitchen tutorial. We're going to learn how to fry sage leaves to crispy, golden perfection. This simple technique transforms fresh sage into an elegant garnish that adds incredible flavor and texture to so many dishes. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what you'll need. Grab about 10 to 15 fresh sage leaves, making sure they're clean and completely dry. You'll also need a small saucepan or frying pan, about half a cup of neutral oil like vegetable or canola, a slotted spoon or spider strainer, paper towels for draining, and fine sea salt or flaky salt for finishing. Having everything ready before you start makes the process smooth and stress-free. Before we begin frying, let's cover some important safety tips. Hot oil can be dangerous, so never leave it unattended. Make sure your sage leaves are completely dry because water and hot oil can cause dangerous splattering. Keep a lid nearby and have children and pets at a safe distance while you work. Now let's heat that oil. Pour your oil into the pan and set your burner to medium heat. You want the oil to reach about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. If you don't have a thermometer, test it by dropping in one sage leaf. It should sizzle immediately and bubble gently. If it browns too quickly, reduce the heat slightly. Time to fry those beautiful leaves. Carefully add 3 to 5 sage leaves to the hot oil depending on your pan size. Don't overcrowd them or they won't crisp up properly. The leaves will sizzle and bubble vigorously at first. Watch them closely because they cook fast, usually in just 15 to 30 seconds. You'll know they're done when the bubbling slows down significantly and the leaves turn a darker green with slightly translucent edges. Quickly remove the fried sage leaves and transfer them to a plate lined with paper towels. The leaves will continue to crisp up as they cool. Immediately sprinkle them with a pinch of salt while they're still warm. This helps the salt stick perfectly. Repeat this process with your remaining sage leaves in small batches.